Hey, what's up guys, it's Austin here, and welcome back to a new video. So a while back, my sister told me that she wanted an upgrade from her current setup. She doesn't know much about computers, but her only request is to make the PC white pinkish themed, which fits her peripherals. With that in mind, I started to look at the parts that are necessary. I filtered down to a few options for each component and then posted it on my Instagram stories for people to vote. So here are the results. As you can see, people wanted the RTX2060 as a GPU, the B360 for the motherboard, 32 gigs of RGB RAM, and liquid cooled with the Corsair H100i. If you guys are wondering why didn't I ask for the CPU or the case, well that's because it really depends on the outcome of the motherboard. After a few months later, I was finally able to buy the parts. Due to the price changes over time, I had to switch up some parts for better value. Although I wasn't able to make every part completely pink or white, I tried to find parts that can match the theme as close as possible. So for the CPU, I got the i5-9600K. For the motherboard, I got the Z390A Prime. For the GPU, I got the MSI RTX2060. For the PSU, I got the EVGA 650W G5 power supply. For storage, I got the 500GB Samsung 970 EVO. For the RAM, which I spent most money on, I got 4 sticks of G.Skill Trident Z Royal Gold RAM, which totals up to be 32GB. And lastly, for the case, I got the Corsair Carbide Spec Omega. All the parts that I mentioned will be linked in the description down below. After waiting a long time for shipping, it took me some time to build it. I also sprayed the PSU shroud light pink to match the theme. For the build process, there are a lot of PC building videos out there, so I'm not going to go through the whole process again. Without further ado, let's get right into the B-roll.